Alright, so welcome back. In this video we're going to learn how to work with green screen videos. Let's start by adding this green screen video into our media pool, and now let's go to the timeline and add it onto the timeline. I will delete the audio, and now what you want to do is simply get into the color tab. So what we actually want to do is delete the whole green color of this video. So that's not that hard to do. So let's jump right into it. The first thing you will want to do is select the color. So you will use the qualifier tool, so this one, and go to where your green screen is and click on the green color this way. Now you have made a change, but the actual change won't be viewable until you create an alpha output. So you have to connect your node to an alpha output, which is basically used when you create add effects into this color tab. So you go here at add alpha output and you connect this blue square with this circle, with this blue circle. So now you have your edit, but as you can see, the only color that it's remained is the green one, and we don't want that to happen. What we want is to remove the green one and not to leave it as the only color in the video. So what you want to do is inverse this. So you click on invert here, and now you have your green color removed, but as you can see, there is still some green color left. So what you want to do is come here at this picker add and click on this green color, so this way. And now as you can see, there is less and less green color into this video. Now what you want to do is come here, and as you can see, I mean, in our video there is not that much green, so what we can do is remove the whole green into this video. So I will remove the green in the video. Also for the saturation, I'm going to take it down a little bit, and for the luminance, I'm going to take it down a bit and up, so this way. Now we can also add fevers, so basically it's like adding even more colors to remove more, like not colors, but you know, smaller colors, or I don't know however they're called. What you want to do now is play with these settings at matte finesse. So you try to play with them, and what you can do is also use the ratio. You can crop them kind of so this way, and you can get rid of that blue, of that green color. And now if I play the video, I will have something like this. As you can see, there is no green color left in this video. Now what you want probably to do is take this video and make it smaller and put it around here somewhere, right? But as you can see, there is a black screen for some reason. Well, how do you remove it? Well, that's pretty easy. What you have to do is go back into the color tab, and what you want to do is go to this window. You want to take this tool and you want to create a shape around your animation. And now if I go back, basically the black screen is gone. So I can take this animation and I can move it with it anywhere I want, as you can see. So let's put it down here and let's play it. Alright, so actually that's not good. I don't know why it's this way. That's strange, to be honest, but that's pretty strange. Let me go back and revise what's wrong with it. So let's make it big again, so this way. And now let's go back and let's make it smaller, so this way it should work. I guess it was an error or something. This way, right? So it works, as you can see, and pretty much that's it with the green screen. I mean, sure, if the animation is longer, you can make it this way. You can actually make it as long as you want until the black screen, as you can see. So let's make it this way, in order for it to be long enough, but not too long, so the black screen won't appear. And also I could take it this way. I mean, I have made it fast, so I don't have, that black screen, but you get a point. You just have to crop the image in order for that black screen not to appear, and that's it pretty much. It's not that hard to work with this green screen effect, and as it says here, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, where we're going to learn how to work with the curves inside the color tab and how to actually color grade with them. So see you there, and all the best to you.